Apple jam is one of the most popular and incredibly delicious jams that you can even use as a filling for various cakes. Welcome to Cooking with Mahtab channel. Stay with me to see all the tips and tricks for making a great jam, especially with such an attractive color. For jam, it's better to use young, fresh and firm apples to have a higher quality jam. Very ripe apples will mush during cooking. I used 1 kilo of apples, and before starting, place a bowl of cold water next to you and add about 2 tablespoons of vinegar to it. Now let's peel the apples. After washing the apples clean, peel all the apples and remove any spoiled parts. Remove and separate the apple seeds as well. Next, chop the peeled apples in any shape you like, in strips or large cubes. I chop them into cubes. Immediately after chopping, put the apples into that amount of water and vinegar so they don't react with air oxygen and change color. Peel all the apples in the same way and chop them. Next, add 700 grams of sugar into a suitable pot. For every 1 kilo of apples, you need 700 grams of sugar. For making jam, it's better to use aluminum or copper pots to improve the quality of your jam. Next, add 4 French glasses of water over the sugar in the pot, along with 2 pieces of cinnamon stick. Turn on the heat and wait for the sugar to dissolve in the water. Now be sure to drain the apples that were chopped into pieces and soaked in water and vinegar. After completely draining and removing water, add them to the pot. As you can see, they haven't changed color at all and remain just as they were the first second you sliced them. Once you've added the apples and the water around them starts boiling, simply reduce the heat and place it on a flame appropriate for the size of your pot. Then, if you like, add 2 to 3 tablespoons of strong brewed saffron. Cover your pot. I just want to give a very important tip at this stage, which is completely optional. If you want your jam to have a beautiful golden color, it's better to use a Damkesh special cloth on the pot lid. Allow it to cook completely over very low heat for 2 hours. After 1 hour, add 5 to 6 cardamom pods that you have pierced with a knife into the pot and cover the pot again to let the cooking process complete. When 2 hours of cooking your jam have passed, remove the cardamom pods that have now imparted their aroma to the jam. To ensure it's cooked, simply take a bowl, pour a bit of the jam into it, and place it in the freezer for 3 to 4 minutes to quickly set so you can test it. After it cools, when the syrup of your jam has a honey-like texture as shown in the video, it means it has reached sufficient thickness and cooking. Now just add 2 tablespoons of rose water along with 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to prevent molding. Then turn off the heat. Allow your jam to cool down completely. Then pour it into completely clean and dry jars. Store your prepared jam in the refrigerator. As simple as that, you've made the most delicious and colorful jam that you can enjoy at breakfast and tea time. Enjoy your meal. Thank you very much for staying with me till the end of the video. To download the cookbook version, please visit the link in the bio. I'd be happy if you subscribe to Cooking with Mahtab channel and like it. Thank you.